We discussed the in. Now let's discuss for. So for statements in Python, they are a little bit different than what you may be used in C or other languages. So instead of always iterating over an arithmetic progression of numbers, for example in Pascal, or giving the user the ability to define both the iteration step and halting condition as in C, Python's for statement iterates over the items of any sequence, a list or string, in the order that they appear in this sequence. So for example, they have here a list of words. There's cat, window, the fenestrate, then for w in words, print w and the length of w, and then it's going to iterate in this list. So first w will be cat, so it prints cat, and cat has 3 letters, so it prints 3. Then it moves to the next one. It's window, it prints window. The length of window is 6 letters, so it's 6. And then the last one. One thing that is good to note is that code that modifies a collection while iterating over the same collection can be tricky to get it right, and instead it's usually more straightforward to loop over a copy of the collection or to create a new collection. And you can check this in the documentation here. In other words, a for statement, also called for loops, is used to iterate over sequences. Can be lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets, strings, and as mentioned before, is less like the for in other programming languages and works more like an iterator method found in other object-oriented programming languages. And they have here another example. So they have a list of strings of fruits: apple, banana, cherry. Then for x in fruits, x will iterate. So first it will be apple, then banana, then cherry, and it will print x. So let's go back to our example here. So we have our list of intervals that they are strings. So we could, for example, for interval in intervals strings, let's print our interval, and then we have B1, M2, minor second, major second, minor third, and so on. So we are iterating over this list with this for loop here.